Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made these right here by reversing a canvas and using my Cricut to cut the vinyl and ironing it on. So if you would like to know how I made this quick and easy little project here, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, today I'm going to show you how I made these. I put them here in my patio because I kind of wanted like a little bit of like a beachy look, but not too beachy. So I found those in my Cricut app that I already have, and I printed them out in different colors and I painted the frames. So this is how I created those. Okay, you guys, so I have this standard canvas. This is a 16 by 20, and what I'm going to do is reverse the canvas. I'm going to cut along the seam and pull the canvas off and paint the actual frame that's inside here and reverse the canvas. Here I'm using a tool that I got from Cricut, but you can use any type of utility knife or blade, razor blade, etc. Okay, so the frames that are inside of the canvases that I chose are not as nice. They actually have staples holding the corners together. I guess beggars can't be choosers. That's what happens when I'm balling on a budget and get the cheapest value pack. But it's just for outside in my patio, so I'm going to make it work. So next step. Okay, so now to paint. I went ahead and searched through my Cricut app and I found these 3 designs by just putting in beach, and I chose these 3 so they were already done, simple and easy. Okay, so I'm getting it ready to go on the Cricut and I'm putting down the first vinyl, and I'm using my 12 by 24 because some of the words are longer, being as how I'm putting it to a 16-inch wide frame and the normal one only goes by 12 by 12. So here we go. Now I am putting it on the larger mat, and I told it I'm putting it on foil iron-on vinyl so it knows how to cut it. Now I am starting on the third and final mat to complete all 3 of the canvases. I then weeded the vinyl to get it ready to press, and then I put it on the canvas for 270 for 40 seconds each press. So I am setting the canvas down and then putting this on top, and I'm going to flip it over and then put the tacks on it, just like I did this one and that one already. Here's the back of it. I just put the tacks on the back just to hold everything together. So there's 2 of them done, and I just have the 3rd one to finish. This is what the back side is going to look like, and then this little flap is still there, so just take my scissors and cut along the side to just trim that little edge up. And then here is them completed, 100% done. So I used like this darker color to spray paint. Sorry, I lost the footage of me actually spray painting them. That's why this video is a little bit shorter, because I lost a little bit of the footage. But this is what I did. So salty like the ocean, surf trip, and then ocean shells, mermaid spells. And I use different colors. This one is all one color, but this one I use like a shiny and then more of like a matte finished, and did the same on this one. So then they kind of match together. So that is my completed look. They're here in my patio hanging up, and I think it's really pretty. And then I have other little things over there, and I made that wreath to hang there as well. But that is what I did in our little enclosure for our patio. Okay guys, so that's what I wanted to show you on how I made these reverse canvas, just art to put in my patio. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, have you seen anybody do the reverse canvas? Have you tried that yourself? Do you now want to? I think it's so neat. There's already another one that I want to do, so let me know if you want a video on that. But that one's more Nightmare Before Christmas theme for my kitchen. And that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.